Today, Greenville Fire Rescue team went around to the neighborhoods to install smoke detectors free of charge. WNCT's Kara Gann has the story.
The crews gathered at Hillsdale Neighborhood Park, got their supplies, and headed out into the community. This event is part of the statewide initiative. It hopes to reduce fire deaths in North Carolina.
Because there have been 91 fire home deaths in the state of North Carolina thus far. So by putting these detectors up, we would try to prevent or minimize or at least mitigate some of those fatalities.
And not only is the initiative a way to promote fire safety, but it's also a precaution.
It prevents us from coming out during a real emergency. It is a fire prevention technique to make sure that the citizens are protected.
People out here in Hillsdale say they're just thankful to have a local fire department that would come out here on a Saturday and install these detectors for free.
It's pretty awesome that it's being thoughtful and thinking about people, especially with the hot weather, making sure everybody's safe, just good looking out for children and homeowners, and you know, fire safety is a big thing.
Battalion Chief Calvin Horn says these new detectors can also save community members of Hillsdale a little time as well.
Usually you check smoke detector batteries every 6 months. The smoke detectors that we're installing now, you only have to check the battery. It lasts approximately 10 years.
Smoke detectors is a major thing. You know, smoke detector can save your life.
In Greenville, Kara Gann, 9 on your side.